I've been trapped in that box for quite some time. Thank you for whoever let me out. I'm quite eager to play some fun new games. Would you like to play with me? I like playing with the children. Playing with their livers and eyeballs and blood. Oh, my name is Laughing Jack. Would you like to take a tour through my carnival of horrors? Oh, there's plenty of fun to be had. Oh, what's wrong, little kitties? When you're down, just look at the crowd. Care for some candies, kitties? I'm almost positive they're not poisoned. Almost. All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought was all good and fun. Pop goes the weasel. Are we having fun yet? You're not getting frightened, are you? Who wants to go home now? No one escapes alive.
Plans of visiting the area. Live now, we have Chief of Police Chad Harrison, who will be giving his thoughts on this issue.
Yeah, well, this makes 17 murders this month, all within that area, and we're completely baffled as to what is causing this. The investigations suggest an animal is doing it, but we really don't know. I mean, no known species from around here is matching up to the claws.
He beckons me. I must obey. The slender, faceless man. He commands me to kill. With this hatchet, the blood of many has been shed, and more will be shed tonight.
No, 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 no! Ah!
Does that please you, master?
Trick-or-treaters roaming about. Is it Halloween again? Oh, yes, I do love Halloween indeed. All the youngsters roaming about the streets, unsupervised. Just waiting for me to pluck them up, so I may feast on their flesh and drink their blood. The flesh of the young keeps me eternal. Why don't you come closer? Yes. Feeling weary, are you? I can guarantee it's easier if you come to me. Because I'll most definitely catch up with you eventually. Very well. Run along for now.
Here. Wise choice avoiding that one, kiddies. Yes, Mr. Widemouth won't try and feast on your flesh. No, I have no desire to kill any children. I just want to play a game. Do you like playing games? Well, Mr. Widemouth plays lots of very fun games, very unique ones indeed. Yeah, let me show you. Let's see. Here we go. You see these nice and sharpened knives? Yes. Here's what we do with these. You see, you haven't juggled before? Well, you're going to today. Just with a little bit of magic from Mr. Widemouth's touch. And you can throw these knives in the air and juggle them as if you just walked right out of the circus. Yes, I assure you, you will not get stabbed or wounded. You see, I know what I'm doing. I've done this plenty of times before. No, you're feeling a little cautious of that? Not too sure? Well, let's try a different game. Yes, you see this right here? Little bits of broken glass from this car window. Something must have smashed this open. Well, anyway, that's no concern of mine, but what we can do with these is just use again my special magic and pop, now these are just little bits of rock candy. I tell you, you could just pop those right in your mouth and chew away. Now, you might feel some scraping and cutting on your tongue at first, but the magic doesn't sink all the way in unless you swallow the glass. Yes, we gotta get it in the digestion. Trust me, you'll feel the sweetness of the candy. No, you don't want to play this little game either? Well, just give me a minute. I'm sure I'll think of something else. In the meantime, good luck surviving around here.
Welcome back, my kitties. Not leaving so soon, are you? We have plenty more ghoulies inside the corridors of this old house. If you dare come in.
Good.
Didn't lose your heads, I see. Well, that's all right. There's always next Halloween. I just know you'll come back.